But again, I'm in so small here. There's just no risk to this, but at least you guys are getting to see it dance. Now check this out. See the way that this got pushed back down here, but it rode right back up? That's actually bullish because that should have been pushed all, seller should have started to kick in here. So that's actually bullish. So if this was a live event, I would be in it deeper only because this is still bullish. If it keeps getting pushed down to this level right here, this will be the new channel. See it right here. And then when it touches here, I'll add in again. And when it pops, I collect my money. So if this is going to create the channel here, even though it's small, listen, every pop, if I'm buying down here on the bottom, even this, 1,000 shares, I can make 20 bucks every time it pops, 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 pops 5 times. There it goes. That's $100, right? So there it goes. There's profit. Oh, but anyways, you guys see what I mean? It's just these little quick movements, and look at what it keeps doing. Keeps coming down, keeps popping up, keeps coming down, and then it keeps popping up. So buyers are holding this up, even though we're getting this selling pressure. You see these wicks? This is selling pressure. But do you see how it's staying high instead of, right? It should have came up, pulled back, sell off. You see how it's still up here? There it goes. There's your payday. I'll take it. Oops, and I missed it. Made $1.50 or whatever. But do you guys see right there what I was talking about? This is still strong because they could not sell it off and continue the selling. Does everybody see how that worked?
Yes, sir. Especially when you were talking about, you're moving the channels up and down.
Correct. Yep. Yeah, because it started to form a new one, even though it was small right here. So it popped up, pulled back. And because I was so small, I wasn't worried about it. And then it popped up, pulled back, and there it goes. See? And there's your payday. Did everybody make money? Somebody? Anybody?
Excellent, excellent.
I'm in it, coach.
Information.
I'm in it, coach.
Okay, good.
Yep.
So, I mean, so you had a couple choices, right? On the break here, you could have made money to here. And then, of course, it pulled back. And then, look at this long drive. That's just beautiful. Now we're on the upper ceiling. This is the upper limit right here at this 56, but look at it go. What did I say? Look at this. Is that beautiful or what?